How to upload album on ONErpm. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload album on ONErpm. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to ONErpm.com. And if you haven't signed up for ONErpm yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, from here, if you don't know ONErpm, it is a modern music company that provides solutions to artists in the modern era, in which they work with all the major music platforms in the market, such as Spotify, Apple, Deezer, YouTube, Pandora, and many more. And now to sign up to this platform, just click the join button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start creating your account, just fill out all of the required information. Or you could also sign up using your Facebook account. And after signing in, it will show you that you have now registered. And the next thing that you need to do is to verify your email address. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to go to your email inboxes, and from here, just click this click here to verify your email button. Then you will be directed on this page in which it will ask you to select of the followings. And in this option, I'm going to choose label and publisher. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to fill out the basic info and other required fields. And after that, just click the next button below here, and you will be directed in this dashboard of ONErpm. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can navigate. However, the next thing that you need to do under this dashboard overview is to click Upload Music in order to upload an album. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to complete the process by filling out all of the required information, such as under the album info, you are required to enter here the title of an album or single. So let's say I'm going to enter here Shade. While under the various artists, you can click this box in order to select various artists if your album is collection of 4 or more different artists. And aside from that, below here, under additional artists, from here you can simply add more artists at the album level and select their role from the drop-down menu. And after entering the name of the artist and their role, below here the next thing that you need to do is to select the genre of your album, in which you can choose either anime, arabesque, avant-garde, axe, bachata, and many more. And you could even choose a secondary genre in here. And after selecting the main genre and the secondary genre, we can now move on under the copyright info, in which it will show you the label, the copyright date of recording, and many more. And now to proceed, just click Track Upload below here in order to proceed to the next section, which is Track Upload. But make sure that you fill out all of the required information under the album info. And as you can see here, I did not input a primary artist or band name, and that is required. So what we need to do is to fill out this field by searching or entering the name of the artist. So for instance, I'm just going to enter here our username. And from here, just click Confirm Selections to proceed. And after that, we have now added a primary artist. Then proceed by clicking Track Upload, and it will show you a pop-up window that contains your album info or summary. And to proceed, just click Looks Good. And after that, you will be directed on the next section. And this is Track Upload. And to upload your track, just click Add Individual Track right here. And after that, all you need to do is to fill out the title, the songwriters, musician, and any other field. And aside from that, it is optional that you could even add a lyrics of your track. And now I'm going to enter here the title of my track. Then just fill out all of the required information, such as artists or contributors, songwriters, and many more. And after that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some other buttons that you can click either to add track or proceed on album art. But before we go to album art, the next thing that you need to do to save the changes is by clicking the save button right here. And after that, it will show you below the result of your track, in which it contains the title, the artist name, and the file name. But as you can see, we did not upload a file type or track. But to do so, all you need to do is to click Add Track button right here. Now moving on to the album art, From here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply upload your cover album. But before that, make sure that you also follow the artwork upload requirements right here, such as the file format must be JPG or PNG, and the size of it at least 3000 by 3000 pixel, while the image file size cannot be greater than 35 MB. And also the color mode, the best quality is RGB, including black and white images, while the resolution is 72 dpi, and your cover art must not contain any logos, website address, release dates, or advertisement of any kind. And in this case, since I don't have any kind of these requirements on my computer files, I'm just going to look on Google. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one, and after downloading this image that contains 3000 by 3000 pixel, the next thing that we need to do is to simply upload the image in here by clicking the browse button and proceed by choosing the image for our album art. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you that the album asset or your album art has now been uploaded. And now to proceed, just click Distribution Preferences button below here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the next stage, in which from here, all you need to do is to select the territory or the distribution preferences. You can choose a specific kind of country depending on your preferences, but I'm going to choose the world. And after that, if you scroll down below here, you can even select a release date for your album, and it says here that you should set the release date at least 21 days in the future, since this will give you enough time to announce the release to your fans, share the pre-save, and pitch the release to the DSP for playlisting. And after that, from here, you can even select the pricing, such as low, mid, or high. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will also show you the other details, including the free track generator and also the store distribution. And as you can see, the stores displayed below are based on the territories selected earlier in this step. And as you can see, we have here iTunes, Amazon Music, Spotify, iHeartRadio, and many more. And now to proceed to the next step, just click below here, the album preview. And upon doing so, you will be directed under the preview or distribute, in which from here, it will show you all of the details that you enter, including your album info, the title of your album, the genres, release date, time, and any other details of your album. But before that, it will show you a warning sign under the track upload if you did not upload an individual track. So let's say I'm just going to enter or upload a track from my computer files, so can I click this icon right here. And after choosing or selecting the track, we can now proceed on the last step, which is the preview or distribution. And after you complete all of these steps or stages, you can now successfully upload your album. So that is just basically how you can upload album on ONErpm. Thank you.